Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again today you catch me in our little smart electric drive, and there's a purpose behind that. There's a reason why I'm shooting the video from this car and not from my Model 3. And no, it's not because I'm getting rid of the Model 3. That car is staying forever. Love that thing. The reason that I'm shooting this video from this car is a lot of you that have watched the channel may know that my wife and I are probably going to be ordering a Ford Mach-E, and as of the filming of this we haven't yet ordered it. I'm torn between pre-ordering it versus just waiting for it to come out and waiting for dealers to have them and then buy one. There's an argument both ways, but I don't want to get into that in this video. But it got me thinking about, should I purchase another EV for the channel, something I can get right now, just a little used car. I've got this car that I can do content on, but this is admittedly a teeny little Econo box, and this is also meant for my son, my 16-year-old son, who's working on getting all of his miles in for to get his license. But once he has his license, he'll be in this car all the time. So I've considered, I don't really want to get a Leaf, but a short-range used EV, something in the $6,000 to $10,000 range, something I can just pay cash for easily and do some videos on. Something interesting though. I considered a Chevy Bolt EV, but used. They're in the $20-some thousand range. That's more than I want to pay for a used car. But I've looked at others. BMW i3 is one strong contender. Fiat 500e is another contender. And you can find the Fiats for $7,000 or $8,000 for a pretty clean one. And i3 is going to be more like $11,000 at the very low end, probably more like $15,000. Though it's a nicer car, I don't know that I want to pay that much for it. So, what are your thoughts, you guys? If I got another EV, just again a Fiat 500e or BMW i3. I considered a Ford Focus electric, but it's just purely a compliance car. I'm not sure that I want to go that route, but some short-range EV, that the Mitsubishi Mi-EV is out of the question. The only car on earth uglier than this, oh, maybe the Pontiac Aztek is even uglier, but this thing's ugly. The Mitsubishi is downright hideous. I'm not getting one. I don't care if it was given to me, but it's neither here nor there. But a short range, should I get a decent but somewhat interesting short range EV to do some videos for the channel? Would you guys watch? Do you think there's any interest in that? Would it be a nice diversion from the perpetual Model 3 videos? I figure if I buy something that's already depreciated, I could buy it, $7,500 car or whatever, use it for a year, shoot some videos on it, and sell it for what I paid for it, or maybe $500 or $1,000 less or something, but get good content out of it for little or no true financial out of pocket. So want to know what your opinion is on this. I know it's just a brief video, but really curious what you guys think. So let me know what your thoughts are. Would you like to see another short range EV added to the channel to do some content on? And if so, what are your suggestions? I mean, the Mach-E wouldn't be here for a year at the soonest. If I got a Model Y, probably similar. A Cybertruck, everyone asks me about that. We're talking, Tesla's saying 2 years, and you know, in Tesla time, that means 3 years. I'm getting a Roadster, but that's not going to be for probably another couple of years. So, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Should I add a short-range EV to the channel? Add some spice and variety? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I do take your, you as the viewers, I do take your word and apply it. So, anyway, give me your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks, guys.